Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today I'm showing you a super easy method to create clean, eye-catching borders in Notion, the kind that make your notes, task lists, or dashboards really stand out. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to highlight important information neatly and visually, making your workspace not just more organized, but also more inviting to use. Let's jump right into it and I'll guide you every step of the way. First, open up your Notion workspace and navigate to the specific page or design where you want to add a border. Maybe it's a daily planner you're working on, or perhaps you want to add some flair to a project overview. Wherever you want a section to pop, that's where we'll start. If you're not sure where to put it, don't worry, you can always move it around later. The great thing about Notion is how flexible it is for experimenting with your layout until it feels just right. Alright, once you're on the right page, it's time to bring up Notion's handy command for this trick. Just hit the /, then type the word callout, so /callout. As you start typing, Notion will automatically suggest options. Simply click on callout from the dropdown that appears or press enter, and you'll instantly see a new callout block pop up on your page. This is the secret ingredient to creating a border in Notion, because each callout block comes with its own shaded background and a subtle border that makes anything inside it stand out from the rest of your content. Now you'll see a little icon on the left and a space for you to write your message. This is the fun part. Type in whatever information you want to emphasize, a task deadline, an inspirational quote, a key point from a meeting, or even a quick reminder to yourself. For example, I like to use this for action items in my meeting notes, so I never lose track of the most important to-dos. But here, where you can really make it your own. The border isn't just decorative, it helps visually separate and highlight anything you place inside, drawing your eye exactly where you want it to go. And if you'd like to customize it further, Notion makes that incredibly easy. Hover over the callout block and you'll notice a little icon. Click it to swap out the emoji for something more relevant, like a check mark for tasks, a light bulb for ideas, or whatever else fits the mood. You can also change the background color of the callout. Just click the three-dot menu on the right and try out different colors to see what looks best with your page. Maybe a soft blue for calm reminders or a bold yellow for urgent notes. Play with it a bit. This is the part that really lets your creativity shine. And remember, you can come back and edit or modify any callout at any time. Just click into the block, update the text, switch out the icon, or even move the entire border anywhere on your Notion page. If you change your mind, it's as simple as clicking and dragging to a new spot. So that's it, a quick, effective way to add borders in Notion using the callout block. Give it a try, and you'll see how much more polished and readable your workspace looks. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And I'd love to hear how you're using callout borders in the comments below, especially if you have creative ideas or tips to share. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.